Da 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 da.
It doesn't sound like any song I've ever heard.
My music app will match the notes of the chime with any known song.
There's probably a million songs.
That'll take all. Got it. Oh. The song is called Beneath the Willow Tree, and it's the town song. And listen to these lyrics. Everything you need lies beneath the willow tree.
But there's tons of willow trees around here. But there's only one first tree. Last one there's a rotten egg. Whew! Goodbye, clock tower. That song was making me cuckoo.
Everything you need lies beneath the willow tree.
Those girls are getting close to something. I smells treasure.
I just smell corn dogs. Oh, that's me.
I've downloaded a metal detector app. It should help us find where the treasure is hidden.
You know what we need? A treasure app.
The treasure! Let's see what we've got.
I can dig the fastest.
Hey, not cool.
Oopsie. Sorry. Look! Something shiny!
A gum wrapper. Keep looking. Great stuff, girls. This is perfect for my blog.
Are you gonna help or what?
Day 10. The intrepid treasure hunters work their fingers raw. Another nickel? Great. Now we have 35 cents. There's your treasure. As they claw through the cold, unforgiving dirt, unaware of the utter futility of their quest. What?
There is a treasure. Grandpa wouldn't have spent his life searching for it. We just have to keep looking.
Ooh, we've been at this forever. Let's just go home.